Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to another video. If you guys are new here, definitely subscribe to my channel. And yeah, let's get right into the video. I used one pack of the Xpressions here for this style. Today I am doing twists, as you guys can see from the title, from the beginning, from the video. I'm going to be doing my own DIY twists with the rubber band method. So I headed over to the beauty supply store and I got this pack of Xpressions here. It comes with 3 pieces in it, so it was more than enough for my hair actually. I thought I was going to run out, but it was enough. And I think it was because the sizes that I made the twists, like the braids or the twists. So you guys are going to see right now that I'm just parting off my hair in multiple sections. So you want to just make squares all around your head and just make sure it makes sense, you know, make sure like it's aligned and everything looks nice and neat before you start twisting your hair. So right there I just did 3, and then I did like another 3 in the back, and then I kind of just went down and finished the one side of my head, and then I went over to the other side of my head just to make sure that everything is like aligned. You still want it you still want it to look professional even though you didn't go to one. So just try to take your time with this and really make sure the parts are nice and straight and even. And I'm basically just, you know, putting a rubber band on it lightly until I'm ready to actually make the twist. So I went to the beauty supply store and I got this conditioning gel. It's called Neat Braid, and I heard that this was the best one, so that's why I chose this. So that's what I'm doing. That's what I'm using to like slick my hair down. So to start, I just add this conditioning gel all over the part of the hair. You really want to like saturate it in it. You know, you don't have to necessarily get the ends for now, but you really want to saturate that whole area with the conditioning gel. Just to make sure that everything is just nice and neat and you're able to really catch all the hairs, all your natural hairs. So alright, so after I add that to the section, I'm gonna just grab a piece of the hair, and this is the size that I kind of took out. You know, nothing too small, nothing too big. And then I just added the rubber band over the hair and my natural hair and made sure that was super tight and secure. Hopefully I'm explaining it right, but you guys could see kind of what I'm doing. And then I literally just twist down the twist with my natural hair, and I just keep adding conditioning gel just so that my natural hair can kind of like blend seamlessly and it won't like stick out. So yeah, I just use the conditioning gel all the way down the braid just to make sure that it's really stuck. And yeah, this was super easy, guys. If you want, you can also, instead of what I just did, you could also just tightly rubber band it first and then add the hair and then add another rubber band to really make it very secure. I think this is what I did on this second braid that you're gonna see right now. So I added the conditioning gel. Oh, I still didn't do it. But yeah, that's another way that you could do it, but I didn't do it with this second braid right here. But for some of them, I did it that way, where I just actually rubber banded first securely, added the hair, and then added another rubber band. So yeah. Oh, I think I actually did. Okay, I did do it here. As you guys can see, it fell out, so I ended up rubber banding it first, making sure it's secure, and then I added the hair, and then I added another rubber band on top of that. Yep, and then you just want to twist until you come all the way down. And also always remember to use more conditioning gel just to keep your natural hair flat in the braid. And guys, this is super easy. Like, anyone can do this literally and save a whole bunch of coins. You can literally do this today at home. Like, just go to the beauty supply store and get the supplies and get it done. So yeah, for the remainder of the video, I'm just gonna show you guys really the exact same process of how I'm doing it, just so you guys can grasp it. So yeah, just enjoy. Alright, so I finished the rest of my hair, and then I'm also adding these little rollers at the end just to give it like a little curl. And I did dip it in hot water and I got this result, which is super cute. As you guys can see in the back, I don't know if you guys saw that, but I missed a braid, but I ended up fixing it. I missed a whole braid. Like, how did I? Well, yeah, I ended up fixing it, so that's fine. But yeah, this is how it's looking basically. For my edges, I like to use the Edge Booster edge control. I don't know, I just love this edge control. It does what it needs to do for me. It does not turn white with my hair. It just works for me, guys. Like, this edge booster is like amazing. And it also comes in like a whole variety of scents. This one is acai, I believe, but I just go to the beauty supply store and I try every single scent that they have because they smell so good. Like, why would you not want an edge control that smells delicious as well? Like, I just love all their scents. So yeah, that's what I'm using to just do my edges and make it look a little put together. And I'm using obviously an edge brush to do that. That is really it for this tutorial. I hope you guys really learned something and you try it out on yourselves. Super easy. Anyone can do this style. And yeah, guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one.